Good morning. We are still sleeping, but we are making a great breakfast. We'll make a pie based on corn flour and wheat flour. So let's start. First, we need 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Hit on the counter. Hit. Come on. Hit. Good job. Now open it. Come on, open it. Here. Come on. Nice. Good. Second egg. Crack. Good. Open it. Nice. Last egg. Come on. Crack. I'm trying to catch the egg. Come on. Open it. Open the egg. Whoa, nice. Good. Now let's wash your hands. Come on. Dry off your hands. Take your whisker and whisk. Hold. Nice. You're doing great. We will not use sugar. We don't like to put in recipe sugar. Let's add honey. Now, Mr. Robert, come on, mix. You're doing great. 100 grams of butter. Butter, like this. Bum. And let's melt. Do you want me to help? Okay, let's help, Mr. Robert. A little bit of help. It begins to form a foam. Okay, 120 grams of corn flour, 120 grams of wheat flour. Add the baking powder. We are mixing separately the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. We can use a fork or just our fingers. I'm mixing the dry ingredients. It's yellow. Yellow. Oh, yes. Come on, mix. We are almost there. Do you need my help? No? Okay. Is it hard or easy? Easy. Yeah, you heard right. It's easy. Come on, whisk. If it's easy, whisk. Yes, like this. Let's add the butter. Whoa, hold the bowl. And we'll add a little bit of milk, okay? Milk. Whisk, Mr. Robert, whisk. You know what we can add? A little bit of vanilla. Vanilla, okay? A little bit of vanilla. You know why we add vanilla? To eliminate the smell of eggs. Good. Now, whisk. Don't stop. Whisk. Good. Nice. You are doing great. Now, yes, let's pour the butter. Come on, let's pour. Come on, help me. Good job. Okay. Now use your hand and pour it out with your hand like this. Come on, like this. Okay. Good job. We'll wash your hand. Okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Yeah, let's wash. It's good. Well, now we need to put it in the oven, but first we need to heat like this a couple of times. Look. Sending to the oven for 30-40 minutes. 180 degrees Celsius. Give me 5. Let's. Ready, Robert? It's hot, but it looks delicious, okay? Let's take out. It will cool faster. It's hot. So the pie cooled down. Come on, give it a taste. Come on. Let's wait for the verdict. So, what do you think? It's good or bad?
Bad.
It's bad
It's bad. It's bad.
or it's good?
It's good.
It's good.
Ужасно.
Take. It's very delicious. It's yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Do you want more?
More.
More.
Нам текать. А не текать.
Да, you wish. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, leave a comment if you like the recipe,